Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, my name is Nikki. Welcome. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing the December 2019 Sips by box. Before I get into this, I just want to say welcome again if you are new. My name is Nikki. We do all kinds of fun unboxings from tea to beauty, lifestyle, candles, stationery, pets. We do it all. So if you enjoy different subscription boxes, please, it would be greatly appreciated if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And to all of my returning subscribers, thank you so, so much. As you can see, I'm wearing my glasses today, so you actually get a little different look of me. So anyway, Sips by. So it is a monthly tea subscription, and it is a personalized tea subscription. I think that is awesome. You can sign up and you can fill out a profile and you can let them know if you like caffeinated teas, loose leaf teas, green teas, all kinds of stuff, and they will make a box based off your profile every month. Now, Sips by is $15 a month. I do have a promo code I'll put down below for you guys. It will save you $5 off your first month, so you get your first month for only $10. And let's get in here and see what I got for December. I was so excited with the November box. If you saw that unboxing, you saw that it had like a hot fudge, hot cocoa tea in it. Y'all, it is so, so good. I love it. Like, it's just amazing. It's like hot cocoa, but not, and it had the high caffeine. It was just, I loved it. So anyway, let's get in here and see what I got for December. All right. So I always want to say I love the box because if you look, it's like little hearts and little tea leaves. So cute. And then you say Sips by when you open it. All right, so on top we have December teas and made for Nikki. Because like I said, this is personalized. So, 'tis the month of cheer, Nikki. We hope you sip these teas while doing something you love, like spending time with friends and family, or reflecting on all the good things that happened this year. So, yay. And then it goes over the 4 different teas that we get. Sometimes you get 4 of the teas, sometimes you get 3, sometimes it's a bag. And one thing I do love, now if you do get a loose leaf tea, they will send little baggies that you can put the tea in case you don't have a steeper, which I think is really, really great. So let's get in. I'm not used to having my glasses on in videos, so bear with me. But all right, so let's just go ahead and start. We have, let's see, it looks like we have 3 of these. Oh, I see something different in there. So, all right, we have 3 of these. This is blend number 55, Stephen Smith Tea Maker, Lord Bergamot Full Leaf Black Tea. So we have 3. So that's what that looks like. So Lord Bergamot Sips by Smith Tea Maker, 1 sachet per 8 ounces of water at 212 degrees. You're gonna steep for 5 minutes. And this is a high caffeine. Now that is one thing that I did put in my profile because I need and have to have my caffeine. So, this is high caffeine, a flavor somewhat superior to traditional Earl Grey, fragrant Ceylon, I apologize if I'm saying that incorrectly, and select Indian Assam black teas are scented with bergamot from the realm of Reggio Calabria, Italy. I probably butchered all of that. I apologize. So we have 3 of these guys right here. And then let's see. Ooh. All right, so we have 4 of these. Caramel vanilla. Where is this? Caramel vanilla cup of cake. Sips by the Republic of Tea, 1 bag per 8 ounces of water at 212 degrees. You're going to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. High caffeine, So caramel vanilla and high caffeine? That's right. Taste the decadent flavors of old-fashioned Southern yellow cake with homemade caramel vanilla frosting. This calorie-free treat is wonderful served hot or cool. Y'all, like, what? Enjoy this environmentally friendly, round, unbleached tea bag, free of wasteful strings, staples, and tags. Try with a splash of milk. This tea is also nice cooled and served over a tall glass of ice. Have your cake and sip it too. Oh, I cannot wait. What? I cannot wait. Southern yellow cake with homemade caramel vanilla frosting. And calorie free. Yes, please, and thank you. Okay, moving along. I mean, that right there, I mean, that's enough. I'm good. That's all I need. All right, so then let's see. We have 4 of these. Let's see, right here. And these are Equality English Breakfast, Sips by the Tea Book. 1 bag per 8 ounces at 208 degrees. You're going to steep for 3 to 4 minutes. High caffeine. This tea was created for the Tea Book's Equality series to honor Martin Luther King Jr., whose peaceful resistance proved to be successful in bringing about civil rights reforms. Let's see. So it's just the English breakfast tea, organic black tea. So yeah, so there's that. All right. And then this is what I was saying looked kind of interesting, although I don't know if it's going to beat the caramel vanilla. So this is from Flower Pot Tea Company. I don't want to open it, but like I can almost, I'm going to open it. Just put it back. Okay. So yeah, so it's literally like a little ball, like that you're going to do something with. Let's see. Now this is a low caffeine. Powerful pomegranate blooming tea, sips by the Flower Pot Tea. 1 bloom per 1 pot of water. What? So this is a whole pot of tea right here. 200 degrees, 3 to 5 minutes, and you can re-steep it twice. Oh my gosh, marigold flowers, jasmine flowers, white tea, and natural flavors. Blooming tea is made by hand sewing tea leaves into a ball with a flower creation inside. Place 1 bloom into a clear pot or large glass with boiling water and watch the magic happen. What? There's a card down here. And I was wondering what this was. Are y'all serious? Oh my gosh. Okay. So it show like, is it gonna do that? Oh my gosh. So it says for the pomegranate, powerful pomegranate tea shines with tart juiciness, finishing with delicate notes of white tea and a subtle floral sweetness. They also have regal jasmine, sun-kissed peach, which I bet would be really good. Lush lavender, brilliant berry, and coconut escapes. Oh, a coconut tea. Our Blooming Bouquet collection presents a variety of blooming teas to infuse your cup with flavor. Offers a unique experience that comes to life in your cup, unfurling elegant color and flavor before your very eyes. Y'all, what? That is so awesome. That is so neat. Okay. This is definitely my favorite Sips by box by far. We got a caramel vanilla, like southern yellow cake with icing type flavored tea that is high caffeine. We got this beautiful flower pot tea. And then we have 2 other amazing teas on top of that. Thank you. We ended 2019 on a fantastic note. So, like I said, I will put a link down below for Sips By, as well as a promo code to save you $5 off your first box. So you get your first box for only $10. Let me know if you have any questions. If you get Sips By, what did you get this month? What were your preferences? I love hearing from you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.